guys, Prof here. We got us a quick video from the car here. For those of you who follow mice, you may have very recently seen that Rocket Jump Ninja dropped a video on the Mamba Elite, I think it's called, not Expert, Elite. Wanted to call it the TE because that's what it was called previously. But Razer finally decided to update the sensor in the Mamba and make it as good as it's their 3389, which is the same one that is in the Death Adder Elite and the Basilisk and the Lancehead. And so what I did is I picked it up right after work, ordered one up, and they had them at Best Buy. I couldn't find them anywhere, so I just ordered it online for pickup and was able to grab them. Not only, though, did I get one for myself, but I got a second one for Squeers. Now, he didn't work today, so I'm going to go take it over to his place, since I also haven't seen him since I got back from the trip, and drop it off at his house. And if you can see at the bottom there, it actually says 722. So that might make sense as to why I couldn't find it on the shelf. I was able to order it online for pickup just perfectly fine. But maybe the online release date and the shelf release date are different. Either way, I was able to get them. Mine's in this here box. Squares is in the other one. And I'll probably be using it tonight or tomorrow. And we're going to go surprise him with that new mouse. To my knowledge, he probably doesn't even know it's out yet. At least that's what I'm hoping. What's up, Ian?
Sure. What I made.
You made a thing?
I tried.
You tried to make a thing?
I tried to make a thing. I don't know if it's actually there or not. Watching me weeks and
Well,
I
got you a thing.
Elite. I just saw a video about this today. Nice.
And look at the date on the bottom of it.
On the bottom of this. What is this, like C game?
I don't know.
This one. Date picked up 7/19.
No.
Date picked and date picked up. Who's C game? 7/22.
I think it was like it's not supposed to be out on the floor until 22nd.
I was gonna say, RJN just had a video about it earlier today.
Yep. So
I took someone else's mouse, basically.
We just broke street date.
I ordered it from BestBuy.com, and it was fully available there. So
Does it actually have integrated memory? I mean, it looks like it because it has a profile button.
it looks like it does. Yeah.
Susie.
Just go on the internet, right?
Yep, for sure. So what are you thinking? Mamba TE shape, with you know, your Death Adder Elite. Well, I would say more Lancehead slash
96 grams.
There we go. All right, so we missed the unboxing because my phone being stupid and I had to restart it, and Squares was chomping at the bit here.
Yeah, impatient.
Side note: that phone call I had to take was my mom dealing with a drone hovering over our house and nearly landing in our driveway. All right, so we're back. The drone came back to the house. We found out who it was. Now I gotta decide what I'm gonna do about it. In the meantime, Squares is I'll have to get an unboxing of mine, even though it's already unboxed.
We're just testing some stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna test them out.
Test some theories to see if it actually has.
Yeah, because on Rocket Jump Ninjas, he thought it didn't save to the mouse, but if it's anything like the Basilisk and Lancehead, it should. The Death Adder Elite does not have profiles. It should only have one on it because it's not programmed yet.
Oh my god, what is this? 800's the lowest that it goes.
No, it goes way lower. I mean, the lowest it goes is stock.
Fire this bad boy up. Like a type.
It's just Synapse 3.0.
Oh, let's go here. You know.
Is it actually on their website though?
I don't see why they wouldn't have it. Oh, that's a Wi-Fi.
Yeah, like I said, it just came out today, so it might not be on there. Oh, you guys are blind because I have too high ISO. 200?
Mamba Tournament Edition.
Nope. Just what is it called? Mamba Elite?
Yeah, this is a Mamba Elite.
Yeah, just look up Synapse 3.0. So Razer's doing a bad job again because they launched a mouse and
It's probably because we're not supposed to have it, you know.
hey, bestbuy.com let you order it and pick it up.
Your phone is just, it's derping out.
My phone? No, that was me pressing the volume up button.
Oh, okay.
Apparently that stops and starts the video. I'm pro at this, guys. You know, you've seen all my videos.
I don't want Hue. I don't want Chrome. Well, I might need Chroma. I don't need.
You need Chroma to control the lights.
Enter the level. No, I don't need Philips Hue. What the hell?
Yeah, they integrated it with Philips Hue.
I just need Synapse and Chroma. That's literally all I need. About 1 minute or so to download 200 megabytes.
If it is hardware, blah blah blah, I might have you program mine right away, so I don't have to install that crap. If you're wondering, guys, for me the issue is that I still use an Orb Weaver, and they've either not updated that to be Synapse 3.0 compatible, or have not put out one, because I would just buy it because I use it so much. But yeah.
If it installs properly.
And you can't run 2 and 3 together. Things have heart attacks.
So dumb.
Because there's some remember the Lancet could be controlled by both.
Yeah. Okay. Hey.
Oh, Razer Synapse.
Let's do this.
Yeah, you see they just went with RGB on the mouse. They didn't do because the Mamba TE used to go like boo doo 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 boo doo 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 doo.
All I saw was literally it was installing in my keyboard. Got all messed up. Oh my god. I can't remember my stuff.
You better. So we're up and running.
Onboard profiles. Hey, so you can. You just take it like this and you just drag it up there. Boom. Nice.
Okay. So how many on board is it? Like 5 on board?
4.
4 on board.
Yeah.
Any more we can make?
I don't think so. I think that's just it. You can do these and you can just garbage can them.
Gotcha. Oh, you can drag it to the different colors, you mean?
Yeah, basically.
I gotcha. Okay. Can we finally do cycle DPI? Change it to 2 DPIs or 3 DPIs.
Hold on 1 second.
Sense up.
We got sensitivity stage.
Yeah. Change to cycle.
Cycle DPI down settings.
Okay.
Cycle up.
Yeah, click one of those. It used to always. This function requires Synapse. They still haven't fixed that garbage. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Sensitivity stage down.
That is fucking useless then. And I'll change the DPIs. Hey, can you make
repeat scroll down? What?
Yeah. Can you just make it scroll down? That was a feature I liked.
Where?
Just make side scroll right, scroll down.
Yeah, this is what it does.
No, it's on repeat scroll. Yeah. Okay, so they brought that. Okay, guys, if you see that where it says repeat scroll down, right and left, you can actually on the scroll wheel, you can remap to scroll up and down. And the reason why that's nice is because in games, I map scroll up and scroll down to functions. So it's nice to still be able to scroll up and down, even though I don't have scroll up and scroll down, if that makes sense. Mm-hmm. That was a feature that added down not the Naga Hex, what was before that? The V2 or the one of those ones.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's another thing I wonder from you guys. Does anybody ever use different X and Y sensitivities? If so, why? Let us know. I've never seen the why.
Brightness. Let's crank that down. We don't need to actually be ridiculous. Advanced effects.
That you can't do without. Don't do that. Remember that impedes performance of even games. If you remember, just do quick effects and do. We want the one that does the. Yeah, dude, that's way cleaner than the Mamba T. Do you see that? That is.
It's because there's more zones.
Where's the? I gotta lower the DPI. I gotta lower the DPI of this camera here.
I think he stated that there's 24, 25.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but the transition on the side here is the Mamba T was good, but you could definitely see the LEDs. You know what I mean? This is way cleaner. Not that that matters. A true gamer would say, remove the LEDs and reduce weight. Right? That's it's.
All right. So we don't need calibration.
I mean, you gotta admit that that's pretty though.
Basically,
right?
Keep calibration off unless you have problems. Apparently, performance. That's all you need. Customize. All right. Can we save it? Let's go here. Let's just save it.
Overwrite. Yes. All right. So your profiles are managed up in that corner. You get your all profiles at the bottom and your onboard at the top. Why don't you write 2 and make one like change up something? You can always remove it. I just want to see if it you might want to rename it so it's not something like exactly the same. Just do test or something like that.
Meh.
And make it like 3200 DPI or something stupid.
I mean, I'll just go here. Go to performance. We'll turn off.
You like one?
2.
Yeah.
Right. I'll put it back down to 400 because I need that.
Yeah.
That's I'm OG like that. And then we'll put this to 16. No, 1200.
As long as you can tell what the difference is, because this is just to.
It's just too sensitive. No. There you go. I should have just done that to begin with.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Lighting.
Then lighting, make it.
Wave still. Brightness. We'll bring it on down.
You know, make it the other direction so you can tell.
Uh-oh. Why is it not going down? Did the calibration
performance? Good performance. It's working.
Oh,
you have them both set to 1200.
What happened there?
Okay,
there we go. Oh, okay, good. Calibration, we're good. Customize. All right, we're gonna take this. We'll drag that to green.
Did you change the lighting direction or something like that?
Oh no, it's the same.
Okay.
That they have for them, so we should be able to detect. All right, so if we go here,
it's not gonna work with. Remember, it interfaces with the software. Well, you have the software installed. So now we need to go and let's just go bum Tyler's computer or your laptop. Or your laptop's.
I don't have a laptop. He has a laptop though.
You have a laptop? It's under that pile of shit over
That's
there.
That's a MacBook.
Right. MacBooks aren't laptops.
No.
All right. All right, guys, you heard it. According to Squares here, MacBooks are not laptops.
We'll exit all apps.
Yeah.
All right.
So is it working?
Definitely doesn't go any higher than that, and it doesn't go any lower than that. So, all right.
Red
profile.
Red profile.
400, 800. All right, what's the green one then? 400, 1200. Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Red's the default. White is going to be probably the stock one that they have. And then red once again.
I think red or white was default because you can't program default.
Yeah.
Because you only had technically you can hold 5 profiles, but you can only program 4 profiles.
I wonder if it doesn't do the wave settings.
It might not save lighting because that might be controlled by the. That'd be annoying.
Oh, come on. All right, let's see.
So your lighting's back right away as soon as it.
Yeah, as soon as it kicks
So it looks like it saves. Like your DPI settings, right?
Yeah.
Looks like Squares and I forgot to shoot an outro. Not surprising though, with how impromptu that was and how my camera on my phone was not cooperating all that much. So if you guys like this sort of video, please hit like. If you have any questions, throw a comment down below. And stay subscribed because there will be a follow-up video coming from me where I unbox my mouse here and kind of go over some initial comparisons between it and the Mamba TE. As always, you can find me at TheProfosist. You can find Squares at @dsquares. I think it's 86. And you can find the channel / website at Tech Exchange or the-tech-exchange.com. All of that info is down below in the description, and once the follow-up video is up, I will try to link it there as well. We'll see you in the next one.